Welcome to our Hatha Yoga Ashram. Today we have come up with a new topic about how Yoga Nidra teacher training develops advanced teaching skills. Welcome to today's episode. If you've practiced yoga for some time, you may already understand how powerful stillness can be. Yet there is one practice that takes stillness even deeper, Yoga Nidra, often described as conscious relaxation or yogic sleep. While it may appear simple from the outside, guiding someone through Yoga Nidra requires precision, awareness, and refined communication. Today we're exploring how Yoga Nidra teacher training develops advanced teaching skills. This conversation is especially relevant for yoga teachers, wellness professionals, and practitioners who want to understand the deeper layers of guiding others through rest, awareness, and internal observation. Because teaching Yoga Nidra is not just about reading a script. It's about learning how to hold space for profound mental and physical relaxation. Understanding the true depth of Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is often misunderstood as a simple relaxation practice. In reality, it is a systematic method of guiding awareness through layers of experience: body sensation, breath awareness, emotional observation, imagery, and intention. For a teacher, guiding this process requires precision. Timing, tone, pacing, and psychological awareness all play a role. Unlike dynamic yoga styles where movement creates structure, Yoga Nidra depends almost entirely on the teacher's voice and presence. Teacher training programs reveal how subtle the process actually is. Students learn how to guide attention gradually so the nervous system feels safe and supported rather than overwhelmed. This step is why Yoga Nidra training is increasingly seen as a valuable addition to traditional yoga education. The role of voice in communication. One of the most noticeable shifts during Yoga Nidra teacher training is how instructors begin to use their voice differently. In many yoga classes, teachers rely on demonstration or visual cues. In Yoga Nidra, words themselves become the primary teaching tool. Trainees learn how pacing influences relaxation. A pause placed at the right moment allows awareness to deepen. A tone that is too energetic may interrupt the experience, while a tone that is too soft may cause students to drift into sleep rather than conscious relaxation. Through guided practice sessions, trainees refine language that is clear yet spacious. This skill often carries into other forms of teaching, improving communication and meditation, restorative yoga, and even active classes. Deepening understanding of the nervous system. Another significant benefit of Yoga Nidra teacher training is a deeper understanding of the nervous system. Many modern programs integrate contemporary research on stress physiology and relaxation responses. Students explore how the autonomic nervous system shifts between activation and recovery. Yoga Nidra intentionally guides practitioners toward parasympathetic dominance, which supports rest, digestion, and mental clarity. Teachers who understand these mechanisms can design sessions that help students manage stress more effectively. They learn to recognize signs of restlessness, fatigue, or emotional discomfort and adjust guidance accordingly. This awareness elevates teaching from routine instruction to responsive facilitation. A research-based perspective on Yoga Nidra. Scientific interest in Yoga Nidra has grown significantly in recent years. Research published in journals focused on integrative medicine and behavioral health suggests that regular Yoga Nidra practice may support stress reduction, improve sleep quality, and enhance emotional regulation. Studies observing participants after structured Yoga Nidra sessions have reported decreases in anxiety markers and improved cognitive relaxation. While these outcomes vary between individuals, the growing body of research reinforces the importance of proper instruction and structured training for teachers who wish to guide the practice responsibly. Learning the structure behind the practice. A well-designed Yoga Nidra session follows a clear progression. The practice begins with physical stillness and gradually moves through stages of awareness, including body rotation, breath observation, emotional recognition, visualization, and intention. Teacher training explains why these stages appear in this order. Each step prepares the mind for the next level of awareness. If the sequence is altered without understanding its purpose, the experience may lose its effectiveness. Students in training explore how to guide each stage while maintaining continuity and flow. Over time they begin to understand that Yoga Nidra is less about creativity and more about consistency and attentiveness. This discipline helps teachers develop patience and precision, developing presence as a teacher. Yoga Nidra teacher training also cultivates an important quality that cannot be learned from manuals alone: presence. Because students remain still during the practice, teachers must rely on attentiveness rather than movement to hold the space. Presence means listening deeply. It means sensing when a room needs silence rather than instruction. It means trusting pauses as much as words. Many trainees report that this experience reshapes their entire approach to teaching. Instead of focusing on performing a class, they begin focusing on creating an environment where students feel supported. This shift represents a maturation in teaching style, a structured approach at Arhanta Yoga Ashram. For those interested in professional study, Arhanta Yoga Ashram offers a comprehensive Yoga Nidra certification course designed to help teachers develop these advanced skills. The program combines classical Yoga Nidra methodology with modern understanding of relaxation and meditation practices. Participants study the theoretical foundation of the practice while also engaging in guided teaching sessions where they refine voice tone, pacing, and sequencing. The course places strong emphasis on responsible facilitation and personal practice, ensuring that students experience the depth of Yoga Nidra themselves before guiding others. This balance of theory and experiential learning allows teachers to integrate Yoga Nidra confidently into both yoga classes and standalone meditation sessions. Integrating Yoga Nidra into modern teaching. After completing Yoga Nidra teacher training, many instructors find new ways to incorporate the practice into their teaching. Some guide short sessions at the end of dynamic classes to help students transition into rest. Others offer dedicated Yoga Nidra workshops focusing on stress relief and emotional balance. Some integrate the method into therapeutic environments such as wellness centers or counseling spaces. The flexibility of Yoga Nidra allows teachers to adapt the practice to different audiences without losing its core principles, expanding the teacher's perspective. Another valuable outcome of Yoga Nidra training is perspective. Teachers begin to understand that yoga is not only about movement but also about awareness and rest. This realization changes how they structure their classes. Active sequences are balanced with moments of stillness. Breathing exercises receive more attention. Students are encouraged to listen rather than perform. Such shifts reflect a deeper understanding of yoga as a holistic practice rather than a physical workout. The continuing path of study. Completing a Yoga Nidra certification does not mark the end of learning. In fact, most teachers find that the practice continues to evolve as they guide more sessions and observe how students respond. Each group brings different energy. Each individual experiences the practice in unique ways. With time and reflection, teachers refine their language and pacing. Yoga Nidra, like yoga itself, remains a lifelong exploration. Final thoughts. Yoga Nidra teacher training offers more than the ability to guide relaxation sessions. It develops advanced teaching skills rooted in awareness, communication, and empathy. Teachers learn how to guide attention gently, how to support nervous system balance, and how to create an environment where students can rest deeply. In a world where many people live with constant stimulation and stress, these skills are increasingly valuable. Yoga Nidra reminds us that sometimes the most powerful teaching happens not through movement, but through stillness. Thank you for listening. If you want to learn Yoga Nidra, please check out an authentic training program at www.arhantayoga.org.